There comes a time when you know you've got to make a change.
As a struggling high school student, a young Tom Monaghan printed the quote, "The harder I try to be good, the worse I get. But I may do something sensational yet," into his yearbook. Little did he know that he was right. Just a year later, he would go on to found Dominos, one of the most successful and beloved pizza chain, now available in more than 90 countries worldwide. The stories behind the iconic red and blue symbol deserves to be told. In 1960, brothers Thomas and James Monaghan purchased an old pizza restaurant in Ypsilanti, Michigan called Dominic. The restaurant became Domino's in 1965, the title invented by a delivery driver, Jim Kennedy. Just 8 months after the grand opening, founding brother James Monaghan traded his half of the partnership for an old Volkswagen Beetle. That's the brother originally used to deliver pizzas. By 1965, Tom Monaghan offered 3 Domino's locations in Michigan, each represented in Domino's symbol. He originally planned to place a new dot for each new store. In 2018, Domino's repair trucks began filling potholes across the US. Although the chain said they just wanted to keep pizza delivery running smoothly, many perceived the stunt as oddly dystopian. While many are excited for the chance to get the pothole filled, some says the campaign raises the questions about the duties of American government. Domino's offered Russians a lifetime of free pizza if they got tattoos of the company's logo on their body and shared an image of tattoos on social media. But unfortunately, it had to end the offer after just 5 days because too many people got inked. Amid a slew of criticism, including claims that their crust tasted like a cardboard.
Pizza, where's the love? How hard? Bread, sauce, cheese, fresh ingredients. Doesn't feel like there's much love in Domino's pizza.
Domino's pizza crust to me is like cardboard.
In 2016, Domino's introduced a self-driving pizza delivery vehicle to the world called DRU, Domino's Robotic Unit. The little robot first came to life in New Zealand and essentially a low-powered oven on wheels. The original Domino's building was too small for sit-down dining. Instead, Tom Monaghan hired local laid-off factory workers to deliver pizzas around town. In 2016, Domino's introduced a zero-click pizza delivery app. When users open the app, a countdown timer begins. If they don't stop the timer after 30 seconds, the app automatically sends in an order for delivery. In 2015, Domino's began their tweet-to-order service, allowing users to tweet a pizza emoji at the official Domino's account to place direct order for delivery. A Domino's location in Salt Lake City, Utah briefly allowed customers to order online and watch chefs make their pizza live via webcam. The restaurant placed 5 cameras in their kitchen for the entire month of May in 2013. Domino's Anywhere program allows you to order pizza from anywhere. User can order their slices via devices and apps like Google Home, Alexa, FB Messenger, and most recently Slack. For the majority of their existence, Domino's offered only 2 sizes of pizza, 11 toppings, and 1 soft drink cola. They also only offered pizza on a delivery or carry-out basis. They believed the simplicity of their menu resulted in higher quality of products and more efficient business.